and welcome to another studio vlog. I feel like you're going to like this one because a lot of people enjoy packing order vlogs, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing for the first half of this vlog. It's just me in today. It's actually Friday that I'm starting to film because I'm packing today, and I thought you guys would like to see it because it's kind of relaxing, and I personally love watching packing vlogs where you just listen to the crinkle of the paper and everything. I don't know why, it's so satisfying, and the time lapses and stuff, it just is really satisfying to watch. So hopefully you'll enjoy the first half of this vlog. Hopefully you'll enjoy all of the vlog, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm in by myself today and Emily's not here because it's kind of a quiet time at Katnipp at the moment, and we have a lot of things that are sold out in my store, which definitely doesn't help. But I have been making some stickers along with Emily and Mike, so I'm going to restock some stickers that have sold out today. There was literally about 25 things that were sold out. And also January, it's like the time where people are doing like January no spend, and they're basically getting over Christmas because Christmas can be pretty heavy on the wallet, if you know what I mean. So yeah, that's what I'm going to get to work on now, packing orders. Also, please excuse my spotty face. I've had like some sort of breakout, and I think it's from playing Beat Saber with my friends with all my makeup on. Let's just ignore that, shall we? guys, and happy Monday. I've got Emily in the studio today packing up some orders and stuff. You're doing half a day today, aren't you, Em?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm actually going to stock up on loads of stickers. I've just finished printing this Gingy and Spice date sticker, which would be really cute for Valentine's Day. Really though, I should have been restocking these a long time ago, ready for Valentine's Day. Oh, the paper's so smooth. So I've got a lot of ones with Gingy and Spice that are sold out, so I really need to restock them. I've got tons of sold out things from Christmas still to catch up on, but because I only have 2 Cricut machines, it takes me a long time to actually make the stickers and stuff. But yeah, that's what today's going to be about. It's going to be all restocking. I've also got a lot of bookmarks and stuff that are sold out, so I think I'm going to bulk make some bookmarks. And yeah, kind of get to work on that. Unless you want to do a full day with me, Em, and restock some stuff with me.
No, it's alright. I have commissions to work on all the time.
So it's going to be a day of restocking and doing all stickers on Cricut and stuff. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. Also, this weekend I had the weirdest bursts of inspiration, and you'll probably have seen this if you've seen like my previous uploads. And I uploaded my first episode of Berry Butthole, or Butthole Berry, and basically she's called Berry. She's a little raspberry, but she looks like a little butt, like a little butthole. Because raspberries, if you look on the top, like, it was a bit of a mistake. I illustrated a berry, it ended up looking like a butthole. I wasn't happy with how it turned out, still shared it to Instagram, and then it kind of developed into the story in my head. I went to see an anime at the cinema called Weathering With You. And while I was watching this anime, I was thinking about Berry and her little story, and thinking of all these, yeah, stories and little cute 1 minute, very, very short stories that were wholesome and just a bit daft and cute and not serious. So I illustrated it, and it was a 8-panel comic originally for my Instagram. And then I thought, how can I bring this to life a little bit more? And I'm not an animator. Emily can animate. I cannot animate. It takes way too long. I mean, I know the basic principles of animation, but it would take me way too long on top of what I already do. But I wanted to bring them alive a little bit more, so I thought, how about adding like sound effects and music? So I created like a little video on Final Cut Pro. I exported the comic panels, and I kind of, yeah, created like a little comic with sound effects and voices and stuff, and then I uploaded it to my Instagram, and then I thought might as well upload it to YouTube. Now, this type of video isn't normally very good for YouTube, it's only a minute long, but I thought it would be good to kind of share with my YouTube audience, because not everyone has Instagram and Facebook and stuff. So I just thought I'll share it on all platforms, why not? And yeah, I really like this character. It's just a random burst of inspiration, and now I want to create more and more comics. So that's kind of what I was up to at the weekend. I also, yeah, this was how she was based. So this is a thank you cards if you order in the Etsy store. It was like a little butthole. She looks like a raspberry obviously, but it's just a little top bit. It just looks like a little starfish. Slightly different to this. She looks slightly more round and cute and chubby. And yeah, I decided to create a whole fruit world, and featuring, my first episode was featuring Bill Straubs, who fancies her at work, is her workplace crush, or his, wait, what am I trying to say?
She's his
She's his workplace crush. She ended up becoming a whole character with a whole personality that I couldn't stop thinking about, so I had to create a little comic strip about her, and the rest is history. Let me know if you watched that video. If not, I'll leave like a little info card so you can go check it out. Totally different to what I normally do, but I don't even care because I really enjoyed it, and I'm going to put out things that I enjoy, and I just thought it was daft. And it was also cute, and I liked it, alright? Let me know what you thought of Butthole Berry in the comments. Her name's just Berry, but she used to get called Butthole because she doesn't have a little green stem thing. So I've had to pause the crickets because they're so loud. I'm actually getting a headache. When they finally stop cutting, it's like, oh my gosh, what is this peace and quiet? Anyway, it's getting dark outside and I'm about to finish up for the day. I think I got around, was it six individual stickers all relisted, around 20 of each. Sometimes there were less if they're not as good sellers. So they're all done. I really think I need like more Cricut machines or something, but I've just got an announcement of Cricut saying that they are actually like weaning out the not the desktop version, but they've got a web version, and then they introduced this desktop version that you had to download, and now they're getting rid of the web version. So I'm not sure how it's going to happen where I use multiple machines, because usually you just open another tab, and I normally have one desktop version open and 2 web pages open, one for printing and one for cutting. So I'm not sure what's going to happen there when it becomes just purely desktop version. Anyway, but yeah, there's quite a lot cut, and I forgot how much I really like the Easter bunny ones. They are so cute, specifically the little head. I think they're going to make really cute like envelope seals. I've actually kept some for myself. Any miscuts I get I normally put in either a whoopsie pile or I keep for myself for my own planner, and just a little bunny head and stuff will make such cute, yeah, like envelope seals. So when you seal the envelope, putting them in the centre, I think that would look really adorable on the Easter cards and stuff. So I forgot about them. So they've now been updated with the new style and new size, and I think I'm going to end the studio vlog here. It's not been as chatty as it usually is. It's probably going to be a lot shorter than it usually is, but we're into the next working week, so I'm going to start filming for next week's studio vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all very, very soon. Also, super duper shout out to my Patreons who helped me dedicate the time to record videos for you guys. So thank you so much, Patreons. I love you so freaking much, and I love you guys so freaking much. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye.